insert a picture of your very own artwork. These are plastic buttons, you know, the kind that you just pin on yourself. This is a blank vinyl toy. I finally have one. Now, who can I try to recreate one of these? It's a little bit of a conundrum, especially since I might have to buy some extra decorations for different characters. I don't know yet. All I know is that this one could be fun.
That or 1963.
Is this a replica of the original?
Somewhat. This one's actually going to be more like the original Blue Nose. Because when the Blue Nose 2 was built, it was built more as a personal yacht with the similar plans as the original Blue Nose. But with this restoration, we're going to make it more like the original. Yeah. So what we're doing is actually rebuilding the hull from scratch, but we are reusing everything above deck.
Yeah.
So the mast, gas, booms, sails, rigging, all that stuff's going to be put back on.
Will it be how long will it be before it's finished? You know?
We hope to have it launched next spring and sailing by the summer.
And it will be sailing. What will it be sailing as a
Goodwill ambassador for Nova Scotia. So what we do is when we're here in Lunenburg, we get 2-hour sails twice a day for about 70 passengers.
Yeah.
And so they just stand on deck and hopefully the wind's good and they can get a good keel on.
Yeah.
But when we're not here, we go on to tall ship events or festivals around North America, things like that.
No planning to go across the Atlantic?
We actually are. Yeah, it's in the future. It's not planned or anything, but it would be really cool.
It would be good to do.
Yeah, especially love to go to London.
Yeah. Well, they do tall ships events all over in Europe.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how many masts would it be?
It's a two-master. Yep. So it's a jack, brig, top mast schooner.
Yes.
Wow.
So it'll be fairly costly.
You comfortable? Comfy? You comfy on there? You feel real proud of yourself? You sitting in my spot? Realize that's my spot. Been in my spot for 20 years, boy. 20 years. Yeah, I can zoom on this camera. You hungry? You want food? You want supper? You want to eat? You want bacon? Bacon? Does Kirby want bacon? Turkey bacon, of course. You want bacon? Or you want to just wake up? Or what do you want to do? Want bacon? With rice? Turkey bacon? Because I wouldn't actually give you, real bacon. This is an epic mealtime, you know. What do you want to do? You wanna eat? You want supper? You want food? Come on, tell me. Tell me what you want. Wanna go eat food? With your mouth? Still Makiraika, RWR01, Silent Night, Sheep Man, Nitrox, Monkey O Robin, Monkey O Aaron. Camera's not the best. It's from the short film 4, Boomstick, Pikachu, Ed the Sock, Kirby. I just lost it. About 5 or 6 of them. Here we go. Phony Bone. Waspinator. Transformers are animated. Sonic the Hedgehog. Daffy Duck. I just lost a few more of these things. Scorpion. I haven't figured out what I'm going to do with him yet. Toad. Mario. Skull Guy. More originals. Future. Pirotsky. Abigail. Shogun from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, the arcade game from the Nintendo. Eve. One of the Bleach characters, I can't remember which one. Starfy. Kermit. Another original who I can't remember. A Purple Octopus. Waffly. Real Waffly. Dipshit. Sawblades. Sawblades girl version. Clam. Claudia. Kaz with the wrong colored jacket. Jazz with the wrong colored jacket. I need Jazz. I have a little piece of paper in there. I can. I don't know what that is. Sorry, Jazz. Didn't mean to. Yeah, never mind. Kid Abigail. King Hippo. Oon from Wheeled Warriors. Mr. Bump. Dunderhead. Or The Question. Dipshit again. It's Deadpool. Phone Bone. Smiley Bone. Sophitia. Karibo. Statue of Liberty after Cloverfield got a hold of it. Hootbot. I forget her name. Mickey. Malice. Suey. Booze. Video series that never went anywhere. Something I forgot the color. Santiva. Ant. Ziggy Gunner, Super Saiyan. Also from the movie 4. And that's it.